What can you say about the experience of house hot pot?
Me,
Okay, you.
it is, this is fine.
For you. How about you, mommy?
I
Ano?
only like the shrimp, by the way.
How about you, mommy? Parang ayaw mo tumigil eh. Tastes good?
Speechless.
Speechless?
The only thing I like.
How about kuya? Sarap. Oh, ikaw, ano sabi mo?
I only like the shrimp and the seaweed and the.
Okay. Overall experience, rating from 1 to 10?
Bukas ulit.
A
Woo!
Ha?
5.
5 only. How about you, mami?
No, 7.
17.
17. How about you? 9. Wow.